to Pantry Pal. Here at Mealmate, we're trying to reduce food waste by generating efficient recipes for our users based on the pre-existing contents of their fridge. My name is Joy, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer.
I'm Emily, the Chief Marketing Officer.
I'm Victoria, the Chief Financial Officer.
I'm Nyla, the Chief Operations Officer.
I'm Launche, the Chief Technology Officer.
Food waste is an immense problem in America. When food goes to waste, it often ends up in landfills, which emit greenhouse gases such as methane, which are very harmful to the environment, even more so than gases such as carbon dioxide. Also, when food goes to waste, all of the resources that went into producing that food also goes to waste. For example, the water footprint for producing 1 kilogram of beef is about 50,000 liters of water.
Meet Nathaniel Chang. He's a student at UC Irvine and a part-time employee at Jamba Juice. He earns $11.25 an hour and aims to graduate without any student debt. Because he cares a lot about his health, he tries to cook as much as possible to avoid eating dorm food. He also struggles with time management and finding the right recipes to fit the ingredients he has in his tiny fridge.
Our total market is smartphone users, and our segmented market is college students. Our target market is college students around the age of 19 who live on their own for the first time and cook frequently. College students are our target customer because they're living on their own and experimenting with various ways of living and often open to using technology as a solution.
So that's where Mealmate comes in. Mealmate takes these ingredients that college students have in their fridge and pantry and generates easy to use and healthy recipes based off of them. To use Mealmate, simply add ingredients to your digital pantry. If you have, say, eggs and bread in your pantry, you can easily add them in, and Mealmate will generate recipes based off of those two ingredients. To streamline your recipe finding experience and make it one of the fastest recipe experiences out there, we offer a food scanner, which allows you to simply take a picture of a food item in your fridge and it will automatically add it to your pantry. And we also offer a Siri-like function, which we call Mealmate Assistant, to which you can simply say add green peppers and lemons to my pantry and it'll do it as quick as that. In addition, we also have Mealmate also filters recipes based on dietary restrictions. You can find the nutrition info on any given recipe, and you can also find substitutes for ingredients that you might not have immediately on hand.
We plan on acquiring customers through social media like Instagram and Facebook targeted ads, since a lot of social media users are young adults. To reach college students directly, we plan on showing up to events like freshman orientation, for example, where a lot of college students will be, and advertising in person. We also plan on continuing to give presentations at a community college near our house, near where we live. To test the need of our target market, we sent out a survey to over 100 college students, and based on our results, we found that most of them would benefit from our app. Since launching on the App Store a little over a week ago, we received over 250 downloads and also 40 5-star reviews. Also, we've talked to over 50 students in person from giving presentations at a local community college and have received generally positive feedback. We're also scheduled to give more presentations at UCI and USC.
Some of our competitors include Supercook, Food Network, and Tasty. So apps like Supercook, which also have a pantry feature, are personalized, but they lack any efficient ways of inputting their ingredients into the pantry. Apps such as Food Network and Tasty offer a variety of different recipes, but they do not include any personalization options. So Mealmate is a good mixture of the both, being both efficient and personalized.
So some cost components include advertisements, a yearly App Store fee, a recipe services fee. To generate revenue, we're going to have in-app subscriptions and in-app ads. So our total projected revenue after our first year is around $24,000, which we derived from surveying our target audience and determining how much they're willing to pay for our app.
Here are our future plans for Mealmate. Since the regional demo day, we have uploaded our app to the App Store and have over 250 downloads. Our goal is to reach 15,000 downloads by next January and to expand our app to other smartphone users such as Android. In the year 2020, we would like to reach 50,000 downloads and begin working with recipe publishers and food delivery services such as Amazon Fresh and Walmart.
Thank you so much for watching and listening. We hope you download Mealmate on the App Store by using the link up above. Thank you for listening. We're ready to answer your questions now.